Hey beauty, hey everybody. I'm coming to you today with my favorite products video. But before we do that, I want you to go ahead and click that subscribe button. I'll wait. Alright, so I'm gonna kick this off with my favorite shampoo and conditioner. So this is my favorite shampoo. It's from Shea Moisture. It's their Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strength and Restore shampoo. I love this shampoo because I've been trying to get back right with my natural hair journey because I fell off and I wasn't really taking care of my hair like I should. And after having my daughter, I saw that my hair was shedding more and that my edges were thinning, and I know that black castor oil helps promote growth and thickness in your hair. And when I saw that Shea Moisture had a black castor oil line, I was like, duh, let me incorporate this, and I fell in love with it. So I like the shampoo because of the consistency. I don't know if you can see this, but it's very liquidy and watery, and I like that in a shampoo. I don't want it to be too thick and sudsy in my hair. And I'll link all these products in the description box where I personally got them. Also from the Jamaican Black Castor Oil line, Strength and Restore Conditioner. Now this is a rinse out. As you can see, I am running low. I like this conditioner because it's very thick and creamy, and my hair needs thick and creamy products. And I don't think just because it's either high or low porosity, that is just what works for my hair and what I like. My hair is very thick, it's very full. So I need some thick, heavy products to coat my hair. And I love putting this on, provides good slip. And I love the way that these products smell as well. Now, my favorite co-wash, this is new to my regimen. I've been hearing a lot about As I Am, and I was like, oh, let me try it. And I'm not one to spend a lot of money on products. Now, this was probably about $8 to $10, but this is amazing. The As I Am Coconut CoWash. This stuff, you'll see this in one of my videos as well if you follow my channel. I love this, okay? It has tangerine, coconut oil, castor oil, saw, palmetto, and phosphoryls. All of that in here. So it's cleansing to the scalp, but it's not drying. But As I Am, this is my favorite co-wash. I will be buying this again. And I'll open it up so you can see the consistency. Oh my God, y'all, it smells so good. I wish you had smell-o-vision. Oh. And I don't even like to eat coconut flavored stuff, but I love it. So it's very liquidy. Oops, something dropped out. But as you can see, the consistency is very, very liquidy. And my hair after I washed it was so soft, so easy to detangle. Like, even after I rinsed this out, I was like, oh my God, like this, I've been sleeping on this. I should have been got this, okay? Another something that I've started to incorporate into my regimen since I was like, okay, I gotta get back on my natural hair journey, gotta start taking care of my hair because I was just falling off with my hair. I wasn't doing what I was supposed to do. I purchased the Wild Growth hair oil system. So this is the lighter oil and this is the heavier oil, and they're supposed to like work together. And this one you use while you're washing your hair, and this is one you use like every other day on your scalp and after your hair is cleansed when you're not rinsing it out anymore. And this one as well. There's like this whole system on the box. Alright, another thing that I've recently incorporated into my natural hair regimen, because I like to say I'm on my natural hair journey 2.0 because I'm getting my life together because I was just falling off, is this Cantu Shea Butter Deep Treatment Mask, and it's for natural hair from that product line that they have. I love this deep treatment. Like, it is so thick, and of course it smells good. Cantu has the best smell. It's like mangoes and limes and coconuts and island scents. But look how thick that is. Do you see that? So just imagine that sitting on your hair. This is really like one of the best deep conditioners I've ever had. Like, I love, love, love this. This is my go-to and grab. This is something, I haven't used it very long in my natural hair routine, maybe about a few years. But if I didn't have it, I could live without it, but I like it because it has so many uses. Coconut oil. And this is the Luann brand. Coconut oil. And I like coconut oil for a pre-poo. Can I talk? I used it one time to detangle my hair before I pre-pooed, and oh my goodness, it just cut down on that extra detangling towards the end of my wash day. So coconut oil is great for moisturizing my hair, my scalp, for pre-poo, for oil treat. Okay, so this is the last of my faves and not necessarily a must-have. Maybe it is a must-have. I don't know. I don't need it. But this is Murray's Edge Wax. Like, I've tried a lot of edge controls. I've used a lot of them. But this one has been my favorite because I like the waxy texture of it. You can see how thick it is. It smells good. I'm all about smells, y'all, okay? And you know, some people may not like it because it's very, very waxy, but I work it into my hands and I put it on my edges. And as my boyfriend likes to say, I shellac my hair down. I use it for this style. Now, the first day that hair was like laid, okay? It was like slick, okay? And it's still laying down. But I like as I'm wearing my hair, it doesn't start to flake up. But it's just, you know, that natural frizz coming on the edges, and that's fine. We're getting into the must-haves, y'all. So these are some natural hair products that I want to keep. They must keep them around forever, or I just might die. Okay. All right, now this one is my black castor oil. I've been using black castor oil for years. I love it. I even use it sometimes to slick my edges down, you know, help promote hair growth. Ever since I discovered Jamaican black castor oil, I was like, yeah. Okay, my next desert island product, like must have, can't go without. It's kind of a compilation of products, but you know, it turned into one. This is my oil blend. I got the recipe from Natural 85. Oh my God, I've been following her like since I started, you know, this whole natural thing, and I can't remember her name. Is it 85? I can't remember the number, but I will link her video for this recipe down in the description box. But I have to have this. Like, there is no other option. Like, this is my must-have. Go to my EcoStyler Argan Oil Gel. Now, I have used the olive oil one, but for like the past 4 or 5 years, I've only used argan oil one. I haven't had any issues. Like, it doesn't give like that white film on it, and it doesn't like create like this weird mix when it's cocktail with other products. Like, I haven't had any issues. But it says it's for all hair types. It's alcohol free. This is level 10 hold, so it's a max hold. And it said it shines, smooths, and conditions hair. No flake, no tack, anti-itch. And that's what I love about it. Now, another product is my Shea Butter Blend. And I also got this recipe from Natural 85 as well. So I go to the beauty supply store and I buy this tub of Shea Butter. And then when I get home, I mix in coconut oil, and I also put in a little of my oil blend along with Jamaican black castor oil. And before, you know, back in the good old days, I just had a hand mixer, but now I got a KitchenAid. Your girl done stepped her cookies up. So I use my KitchenAid and I blend it all together, and then I just put it back in here. Y'all, this stuff is so moisturizing. Like, I use it on my body, I use it on my face as my moisturizer. It's in my hair. I use this on my stomach as well when I was pregnant to like help prevent stretch marks. This next thing is not a product, but it's something that I've had in my natural hair regimen. Like the first time I went natural, because this is my second time going natural. But this, I always have, not this brand, but I always have a shower comb. Always. Like, I use it in the shower. My hair is wet. I detangle my hair. It has this little hook in it. I can hang it right there, so I always know where it is. This, y'all, Aunt Jackie's, not on my watch. Instant detangling therapy. she did not come to play games with this, okay? I picked this up like on a whim, and I was like, oh, I need, you know, help detangling my hair because I have so many single strand knots, y'all. I don't even know what is up with that. But I get single strand knots out the wazoo because my hair is just thick and like curly and coily. Like, oh, it detangles. Let me try it. Harper, say hi. She's gonna join us for the end. So on a week-old twist out, I can put this on my hair. I put it in sections, work it in. Boom, 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 boom. And it's like conditioning too, y'all. And y'all know what I'm gonna say by now. It smells good. Like, oh, you got to get not on my watch. I would tell every natural person to get Aunt Jackie's not on my watch. Now, y'all, this is the OG, triple OG, holding it down, like using since my Big Chop product. So I thought this was actual shea butter, and I started incorporating it into my routine. But I'm glad I bought it because this is like, if I could only use one hair product, if they told me could only use one hair product, I would use this. My Cantu Shea Butter Leave-In Conditioning Repair Cream. I've been using this since day one of my second natural hair journey after I relaxed my hair and then went back natural again. Y'all, this stuff is the truth. Like, you can use it to style your hair. You can use it as a leave-in treatment. You can use it as a deep conditioner. Excuse me. She's a breastfed baby. Like I said, you can use it for styling, moisturizing, a leave-in treatment, deep conditioning, like, but you don't rinse it out. You can use it every day. It says it helps with frizzy hair and split ends and on damaged areas. That is why I use it. And Harper likes it too. Right, Harper? Tell him. So y'all, those are my favorite natural hair products. That's what's in my routine. Those last few were like my must-haves. Like, they have to be up under my sink whenever I'm styling my hair. Like, if I don't, my life does not feel complete whatsoever. Thank you all for watching. But before I go, I want to announce that I have reached and exceeded my first goal of having 100 subscribers. Yay! I'm so excited. Thank you everybody for all the love and for all the support. Please continue loving, please continue supporting, please continue watching, subscribe, share these videos, tell your friends about me. So I told everyone that once I reach 100 subscribers that I was gonna do a giveaway. So my giveaway is gonna be full-size products, and I'll be giving away 3 full-size products to 1 lucky person. One of the products that I'm gonna be giving away is a full-size 16-ounce As I Am Coconut CoWash. I'm also going to be giving away a full-size 16-ounce Cantu Shea Butter Leave-In Conditioner Repair Cream. Then I'm going to give away a full size of Aunt Jackie's Not On My Watch. So I'll be giving away all 3 of these products. It's only going to be 1 lucky winner, okay? So how you enter the giveaway is I need you to go to my Instagram at Nikea JaLynn, okay? I need you to follow me, tag 2 of your curl friends who you think might enjoy my videos or might even enjoy this giveaway to enter into the giveaway competition. Now it's only open for the US, gonna be via Instagram. So first you must follow me on Instagram at Nikea JaLynn, and I will make sure I link my Instagram page in the description box. And then you have to leave a comment and tag 2 of your curl friends who you think will be interested in the giveaway and maybe interested in following me or subscribing to my channel as well. All right, so the giveaway will be open from February 21st until February 28th. I will randomly choose a winner and I will announce that winner via Instagram. Now you all, this video is not sponsored by any of these products or these companies. These are all my opinions. I purchased these products on my own. I'll be purchasing the giveaway items on my own to send to the giveaway winner. But I just want to do this to show my love and appreciation for my growing fan base and my subscribers. All right, beauties, thank you so much for watching. Again, don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe, share, follow me on Instagram so that you can enter that giveaway. I'll see you in the next one, beauties. Bye. Say bye. Bye.